Hello students, my name is Rakesh Shah. I am bringing SS subject for you on behalf of Ultravision Academy. The name of the first chapter is Rise of British Rule in India. British Rule in India. And in this chapter, the first topic, this is chapter number 1. In this chapter, first topic we are going to do discovery of sea route to India. Discovery of sea route to India. This is the first topic. We all know that India was a prosperous country. Prosperous country means rich country. And there were great demand of, during that time, there were great demand of muslin, that is, muslin is a kind of cotton cloth which is totally transparent, that is called muslin. Then silk, spices, all types of spices, then indigo. These were in great demand in various European countries. Muslin, silk, spices, indigo. That's why European countries have established trade relation with India. Means trade relation means they are importing these goods, muslin, silk cloth, spices, indigo from India to their countries. That's why they have established a trade relation with India, because India was a prosperous country, and that time in European countries there were great demand of these type of products, muslin, goods, silk, spices, indigo in European countries. As a result, European countries have established trade relation with India. European countries were approaching India through sea route and land route. That time air route was not developed, so through sea route and land route they were trying to approach India. And on the way there was a country, Turkey, and during that time conflicts were there between Turkey and European countries. Once again, India was a prosperous country, very rich country that time. Various European countries know about India's prosperity. That's why they tried to establish trade relation with India. Result, there were many products that time in which, for example, muslin, silk, spices, indigo, these products were in great demand during that time, especially in European countries. That's why European countries had established the business relation, trade relation with India. And for this purpose, they were using sea route and land route in order to come to India. You can see in map also that is given. They were using sea route and land route. But on the way, in between the way, there was a country, Turkey, Istanbul, especially major city of Turkey is Istanbul. So there was a country, Turkey is there, and there was conflict between European countries and Turkey. And due to that conflict, war took place between European countries and Turkey. And in that war, Turkey won the war. As a result, Turkey has closed sea route for European countries. All the sea route were closed by the Turkish. That's why European countries were forced to move or forced to discover some other sea route for India. And that's why they have decided to go through Atlantic Ocean to India. Once again, a short para. Why there is a need to discovery of sea route to India? So first of all, India was prosperous country. It was very rich country. There are various products which were in great demand in various European countries, like muslin. Muslin is a cotton cloth which is totally transparent. Muslin, silk, silk cloth, spices, मतलब मसाले, indigo, which is used to color the white cloth, that is called indigo. These were in great demand in European countries. That's why European countries are purchasing those goods from India at cheaper rate and selling the same product in their own country at higher prices. That's why they had established trade relation or business relation with India. But for this purpose, they had to use sea route and land route in order to come India. And on their way, in between the way, there was a country, Turkey. And during that time, there was conflict between European countries and Turkey. As a result, a war took place between these two countries, European continent and Turkey. And in that war, Turkey won the war. That's why this country has closed the sea route for European countries in order to approach India. That's why European countries were forced to discover, means find out another sea route in order to reach India. That's why they have decided to go through Atlantic Ocean in order to reach India. So for this purpose, many countries have tried to discover sea route, proper sea route in order to reach India. In this context, which are the countries who have tried to discover sea route to India? In this context, first one is Portuguese King Prince Henry. Portuguese Prince Portuguese King, name is Prince Henry. Prince Henry, the first, that is Portugal. The Portuguese king during that time, Portuguese king was Prince Henry, who has motivated, or we can say, they had given financial help to those individuals, to those persons who could find out or who could discover sea route to India. He had tried by motivating them, by giving them financial help, means economic help, those who can discover sea route to India. So when he had motivated various persons, among those individuals, among those various persons, one person named Bartholomew, name is Bartholomew Diaz, D-I-A-Z. He accepted the challenge of Prince Henry to find out sea route to India. But when he went through Atlantic Ocean, one island was there, and Bartholomew feels that time he felt that this is India, but this is near South Africa, one island, South Africa, near Atlantic Ocean. That's why later on he was realized that this is not India. That's why a name is given to that island, Cape of Good Hope. Cape, C-A-P-E, Cape of Good Hope. When he realized that this island is not India, how he realized? On the basis of characteristic of India, because India was very prosperous that time, very rich country that time. So on the basis of nature of this island, he realized that this is not India. So one name is given to that island, Cape of Good Hope. It means Bartholomew Diaz has discovered Cape of Good Hope. Cape of Good Hope. So we can say that Bartholomew Diaz has discovered Cape of Good Hope. This is an island which is near to Cape Town, South Africa, and so far as ocean is concerned, it is near to Atlantic Ocean, Cape of Good Hope. So Bartholomew Diaz has discovered Cape of Good Hope, which is an island in South Africa, which is near to Atlantic Ocean. Then second, another country, Spain. So King of Spain has also motivated various individuals financially, mentally, they had given energy to various individuals to find out the route which is going to India. King of Spain has also tried. He had given financial help, economic help to various persons who had accepted his challenge. In this regard, one person, Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus. You have heard the name of Christopher Columbus. He had accepted the challenge of King of Spain in order to discover sea route to India. When he started his journey, he reached an island. And when later on he discovered that this is not India, and he had given a name, West Indies. This is also an island. So, for discovery of India, instead of discovery of India, he had find out some another island which is popularly known as West Indies. Then again, he started his journey in order to find out India, but instead of finding out India, he has discovered a land, not island, discovered a vast land, big, huge land. Later on, he realized that this is not India, and it is clarified by another person whose name is Amerigo. I am writing here, Amerigo Vespucci. This person has clarified that the land which you have discovered, this is not India. That's why this land is given a name on the name of Amerigo Vespucci, and that land is popularly known as America. So two stories were there in order to discover sea route to India. One, efforts given by Portuguese king Prince Henry. He has motivated and giving financial help to those individuals that time who were trying to find out sea route to India. In this context, one person, Bartholomew Diaz, has discovered an island, but not India. Discovered an island which was popularly known as Cape of Good Hope. This is an island which is in South Africa, near Cape Town city and near Atlantic Ocean. So one name was given Cape of Good Hope. Means, in short, we can say, in other words, we can say, Bartholomew Diaz could not find the sea route to India. Then second country, Spain. King of Spain of that time has also motivated various individuals or giving financial help or prizes to those persons who try to find out sea route to India. In this context, one person, Christopher Columbus, has accepted the challenge and went on the discovery of sea route to India. But instead of finding out sea route to India, he has discovered an island which is popularly known as West Indies today also. Then later on, when he realized that he had not discovered India, again he went on the discovery of sea route to India, and again he had discovered a land, a huge piece of land. He realized that this was India, but later on it was clarified by another person, Amerigo Vespucci, that this land is not America. Then this land was given a name on the name of Amerigo Vespucci, America. In short, we can say the efforts of these two different countries, even in spite of their efforts, they could not find the sea route to India. Then third one is, finally, we all know the name of Vasco da Gama. He was Portuguese sailor. Sailor, you know, those who are using driving ship, they are called sailor, boat. At the end, the Portuguese sailor, we all know the name Vasco da Gama, has discovered the sea route to India. And when Vasco da Gama reached Calicut, first of all he reached Calicut. Calicut is a city in Kerala, Calicut in Kerala. When he reached through sea route to Calicut in Kerala, he was welcomed by King Zamorin. He was the king of that time. Kerala was a province. It is an area which was captured by King Zamorin. So he was the king of Kerala, we can say. So he reached near Calicut, not Calcutta, Calicut, which is right now in Kerala. During that time, King Zamorin was ruling Calicut. That's why he was welcomed by, means Vasco da Gama was welcomed by King Zamorin that time. And on the request of Vasco da Gama, King Zamorin has allowed him to establish trade there, to start business there. He means King Zamorin. He allowed to carry out business. And we all know that Calicut is a part of India. So King Zamorin has allowed Vasco da Gama to carry out business there. And after this event, or we can say this event has opened the door for other European countries to establish trade relation with different parts of India. So this event means discovery of sea route to India by Vasco da Gama has opened the door for various European countries to establish trade relation with India. This is the story of discovery of sea route to India. How sea route has been discovered by Vasco da Gama and how European countries have established trade relation with India. Once again, India was in a short story, India was a prosperous, or we can say rich country in terms of natural resources, in terms of national heritage, in terms of cultural heritage. India was very, very prosperous and rich country. That's why European countries tried to establish trade relation, because during that time various products are such which were produced by India and they were in great demand, like muslin, silk cloth, indigo, spices, different types of spices were very, very popular that time, were in great demand. That's why European countries had established trade relation with India, and they were approaching India through sea route and land route. But on the way there was a country, Constantinople or Turkey or Istanbul, and during that time there was conflicts between the European countries and the Turkey, and a war took place between European countries and Turkey. In that war, Turkey won the war. That's why they have closed the short sea route for European countries, and this event forced European countries to find out another sea route for India. That's why they have tried another sea route from Atlantic Ocean. They tried to discover sea route to India, and in this context various prime minister, president during that time king were there. So kings have tried to find out sea route to India. In that, first one is Portuguese king Prince Henry had motivated various individuals to find out sea route to India, and for this he was ready to give financial help, money help to those individuals who would try to find out sea route to India. In that context, after giving various financial help, other helps, one person, Bartholomew Diaz, has tried to find out or discover sea route to India, but instead of finding sea route to India, he has discovered an island which is known as Cape of Good Hope. Once again, Cape of Good Hope means he could not find or he could not discover sea route to India. Then next, King of Spain, he had also motivated various individuals by giving financial help, economic help to those individuals who could discover sea route to India. In that context, one person, popular person, Christopher Columbus, had accepted the challenge of King of Spain and started to discover sea route to India, or started to find out sea route to India. But instead of finding sea route to India, instead of finding the land of India, he had discovered some another land which was not land, island. and that island was given a name West Indies. So we can say that Christopher Columbus has discovered West Indies. When he realized that he had not discovered India, again he went on another efforts, and again he had found another land, and he was realizing that he had discovered the sea route to India. But later on, a person, Amerigo Vespucci, has clarified that this land is not India, because this land does not contains the nature of India. They have heard that India was a very prosperous country, various goods were produced in that country like spices, muslin, silk, indigo, but such types of things are not present on this land. On this basis, Amerigo Vespucci has clarified that to Christopher Columbus that this land is not India. Later on, this land was given a name on the name of Amerigo Vespucci, America. So in this way we can say Christopher Columbus also failed to find out the sea route to India. Ultimately, finally, one person, he was Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama. He has discovered the sea route to India, and he reached India through sea route to Calicut. First of all, he stepped down on Calicut, which is in Kerala right now, Calicut. And in Calicut, he was welcomed by King Zamarin. Zamarin was the king of Calicut that time, and he was welcomed by, Vasco da Gama was welcomed by King Zamarin. And Zamarin later on allowed Vasco da Gama to carry out business there. And this event has opened the door for other European countries in order to establish trade relation with India. The first topic we have completed. First topic is completed. In simple points we can write. First of all, India was a prosperous country. First point. So in short, I am writing points here. You can convert these points into sentence. Prosperous country. Products which were in great demand. Products. First, silk, muslin, spices, indigo. These were the products which were in great demand. That's why European countries have established trade relation with India. But on the way, there was a country, Turkey, and there is a conflicts between Turkey and European countries, and as a result, as a consequence, a war took place between Turkey and European countries, and in that war, Turkey won. After that, Turkey had closed the sea route, for European countries. Sea route for European countries to India. Turkey has closed the sea route for European countries to India. This event has forced European countries to find out sea route to India. And in order to find out sea route for India, various kings of different countries have tried. They have motivated their persons, their citizens, by giving them financial help, by giving them economic help. They have motivated various persons to find out sea route to India, so that they can establish trade relation with India. And in this context, first one is Portuguese king Prince Henry. They had motivated various individuals on the result, means as a result, one person, Bartholomew Diaz, has tried to find out sea route to India, but he has discovered some another island which was known as Cape of Good Hope. Means he could not find out this or could not discover sea route to India. Next, King of Spain. He had also motivated their individuals to find out sea route to India, and then on the request of King of Spain, Christopher Columbus had accepted the challenge and tried to discover the sea route to India, but instead of finding sea route to India, he has discovered some other island which was known as West Indies. Again, when he realized that he had not discovered sea route to India, again he went on another hard work, and as a result he had discovered a vast land. And for a very long time he realized that he had discovered India, but it was clarified by another person, Amerigo Vespucci, that this land was not India. That's why that land was given a name on the name of Amerigo Vespucci, that this is America. Right? After that, ultimately, one sailor, Portuguese sailor, Vasco da Gama, has discovered sea route to India. How? By reaching from Indian Ocean to Calicut. He had reached Calicut first. Calicut is right now in Kerala state. He reached Calicut. During that time, Calicut was ruled by King Zamarin. So he was welcomed by King Zamarin, and King Zamarin had given permission to Vasco da Gama to establish or to carry out business there. And after this event, various European countries had tried to establish trade relation with India. In this way, European countries had discovered India and settled themselves in India for carrying out business. This is the end of first topic. Till then, goodbye and thank you.